Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo A18 to an Android device. Begin by going into Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. I will start with my Android. Hit I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm, continue and allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and tap on Receive at the bottom of an Android. It's located between Send and History. Then click on Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo, and using all of those categories available at the top, hit on those type of dots at the top left corners to select all of your files. You can also just tap on the chosen ones. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a couple of times to access your files. After selecting all needed ones, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and copy all of those numbers. Lastly, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!